Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. This is a version of 2026. Thank you so much. And I'm getting ready to make a cabbage collard green stew. A cabbage collard green stew. Okay. Uh, all right. I'm hoping y'all can understand what I'm saying. I'm going to try to say it as best I can. I have a little bit of congestion. So anyway, I'm getting ready to get started. And I'm going to read my scripture first. And I'm taking it from Exodus 13 and 33 and 19. I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy, and I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion. I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy, and I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion. Exodus 33 and 19. Thank you so much for reading the scripture to you all, and I hope this will help someone sometime during the day tomorrow. Thank you all for listening, and I hope it will help you even today. Thank you so much. So I'm getting ready to get started, and I have turkey. I'm cooking it in the turkey broth that I cooked some turkey legs in. It's already on started, so I'm going to be putting in. I have some green cabbage, green cabbages cut up also. I'm going to start it with the green cabbage and turnip greens, and I'm going to be putting this in right now. I don't have any fresh collard greens. I don't have any fresh ones, so I have a frozen. I'll see. This is a bag of collard greens. Thank you so much. All right, these are collard greens I'm going to be pouring in right now. This is a 1 pound pack of frozen collard greens. And I'm going to be putting the green part of the cabbage with the collard greens to start with. And this is what I had cooked the turkey legs. I had some raw turkey legs. I cooked them and made the broth out of the turkey legs, okay? So now I'm putting this all in together, because I want them to cook just a little bit longer than the white ones. Okay. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to be stirring. Let me stir them up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to turn my fire up a little bit, turn the heat up a little bit, so I can get a good little started boiling. And I'm putting them on medium high to start with. Okay. And I'll be adding the sausage a little bit later. And a whole can of Rotel in now. Also, I'm going to stir it up in here. And I've got it on medium high now. It should start in a minute getting hot.
We'll be back, y'all, once the collard greens cook some.
I'm putting some more seasoning in it. It's just a little bit more seasoning. That's it. Garlic powder and the onion powder. So, and a little bit of complete. So, I'm doing it in the spoon so the steam doesn't make my ingredients get hard in the bottom. Okay. So now, let me stir it up. I'll check it again in a few minutes, but I'm hoping this is going to be enough. If it's not, I'll check it in, because I still have to get my cabbage in. Thank you. Be back in a minute. Okay, I'm getting ready to put the white cabbage in now. Get this out of my way. Okay, I'm gonna stir it up around a little bit more, and then I'm just trying to put the greens on top. Okay, I'll be back shortly, and I'll add something else to it. Thank you. All right, I'm first gonna put in a heaping tablespoon of a big old spoon of honey, and then I'm gonna add now I'm going to add the vegetable. This is carrots and more onions and bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, and also regular bell pepper. Now I'm going to add the meat little by little. Little bit of this is the turkey cut up. This is I have 3 turkey legs in here that's cut up. Okay, I'll add I'll come back in a little bit and I'll add the sausage to it. I'm getting ready now to put my sausage in.
And she sauteed the sausage first, y'all.
Okay, you all, this is the final presentation of my collard cabbage stew. And this is something very good for the winter months coming up. And
okay, y'all, and she has 1 pound package of collard greens. And you can use fresh collard greens. She has small cabbage. She has 1 can of Rotel. She has half a bag of turkey smoked sausage. And she put some carrots and other vegetables in there, and onions and bell peppers and carrots in there. And also she made it, you could cook it in chicken broth. But you don't if you don't want to put the turkey meat in there, you can also use chicken or whatever kind of meat you want to use.
okay, so this is very good. I just can't taste it for you. And I did make some cornbread to go along with it also.
If you want to put Rotel, you can always use diced tomatoes if you don't want to spice it. And you can add more stuff to it too. So if you want to add more things to it, you can.
Okay. I'm going to put a little bit on this. Y'all, that looks so good. Now, this is a wonderful meal to have on a cold winter day, or any day. But on a cold winter day, it's really good to have. So, I don't really want to taste it for you.
Yeah, this can be good any the time of the year. Barbecues, whatever you're gonna have, it's good to make.
Yeah.
Go add with it.
Okay. It's very hot, you guys.
Yeah, this is very good. I'm gonna link the old video, the first video up with it so you can see. Because when the kids was over here, they all ate by 3 or 4 plates apiece. They loved it. It's very good, y'all. So anyway, we're finna get ready to say goodbye.
Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Love from Miss Nina's Kitchen.
It's a collard green cabbage stew, y'all.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye now. We'll see you in the next video.